Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Your iPhone paired to the watch, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and contacts syncing with iCloud. Once done, open the watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. This is where the watch mirrors contact behavior. Next, tap Contacts to choose Mirror iPhone or Customize. You should also create any new contacts on the iPhone first. The watch reads them from your phone. That ensures the watch shows the latest names, numbers, and photos. On the iPhone, add or edit a contact in the Contacts app and save it to iCloud so the watch can access it. Then, in the Watch app, choose Phone Favorites and tap Add to select key contacts for one-tap access on the watch. Make sure the contact has a phone number or email. The watch needs a callable address. Once added, open the Contacts app on the watch to confirm the entry and practice tapping the card to call, text, or get directions. Finish by confirming changes synced. If a new contact doesn't appear, restart both devices and toggle contacts in iCloud, or sign out and back into iCloud to force a refresh. Make sure restrictions are off on the watch and that favorites are set in the phone section of the Watch app. If photos or numbers don't show, edit the contact on the iPhone to add a high-resolution photo or correct fields. That usually resolves remaining sync issues and gets your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.